Hi guys, my name is Navdeep from Fern Education and I hope you guys are keeping well. This video is about New Zealand study visa and I want to keep you guys updated with the upcoming intakes. So this is the main reason of this specific video. Hopefully you have already subscribed to our YouTube channel and you're liking our videos, hence you're back in our channel. So starting with the upcoming intakes of New Zealand study visa, let me give you a bit of background. After the Christmas and New Year period, we did have a few of the studies which were open for the Feb intake and the upcoming intakes were the April or July intake. So most of the Jan and Feb intake are obviously closed now. The colleges and universities are no longer giving the offer letters. Even though you get an offer letter for the January or February intake, I would highly recommend to not to apply under that specific intake, because considering the amount of time it takes to prepare your application in terms of preparing the application at such a level that you will get a visa, you may prepare your application in 2 days, but the question is, will you get the visa on that application? So preparing your application is the most important key in your application. So you have to give enough time for that preparation. If you don't, you may lose the chance of getting the study visa. So February intake, don't rush into it because it's already mid of January now, or nearly the last part of the January. That means you'll have about 2 to 3 weeks in total to get the results. How much time will you give in preparing your application? You have to give at least 2 to 3 weeks of time to prepare your application so that you can get the results out of it. Not to mention the time it will take to get the offer letter if you apply it today. So I would highly recommend to go for the upcoming intakes. That's April 2023 or the July 2023. It depends on what studies you want to go for. So if you're going for the undergraduate diplomas, most of them are open for the April 2023. Otherwise, if you're going for the graduation level or the master's studies, they are only open for July or September intakes. So if you are ready to apply for the July or the April intake, do not wait. Pick up your phones, call us on 8284829002 and we'll be happily able to help you out in figuring out what studies you should go in by evaluating your past studies or experience, and we'll be also able to tell you whether you're getting the post-study work visas in that specific studies, because that's the most important key in this part. If you're going there to study, obviously you do want to get or reap some rewards out of it. So if you're not getting a post-study work visa out of a specific studies, why would you go for that study? Unless you really want to finish up your studies and come back to your home country. So having the right team to work for you is very important, because most of the agents and consultants I watch the videos of, I see that they don't have enough source of information that they can deliver out for New Zealand study visas. So Fern is one team that you can trust in terms of study visas of New Zealand, Australia, UK and the Canada. Give us a call. The numbers are underneath. You can always get in touch with us. Please share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in next video. Until then, best of luck.